Gilgit, ever heard of it? It's a hidden gem, a place that many have never even heard of. Most haven't. Tucked away in Pakistan, hidden amongst the highest mountains on Earth. It's a place where nature reigns supreme, untouched and unspoiled. This ain't your typical tourist trap. This is raw, untouched beauty, adventure in its purest form. Come on, let's go. We're talking soaring peaks that touch the sky, glaciers glistening under the sun, reflecting light like diamonds scattered across the landscape. Valleys so green they hurt your eyes. It's like stepping into a painting where every shade of green is more vibrant than the last. Air so clean it feels like you're breathing for the first time. Each breath fills your lungs with purity, a stark contrast to the polluted air of the cities. This is where the Karakoram, Hindu Kush and Himalayas collide, a meeting point of giants creating a landscape like no other, a geological wonder of the world. The formations here tell a story of Earth's history, etched in stone and time. Forget your fancy resorts and five-star hotels. Here you stay in rustic lodges and traditional guest houses, where hospitality is heartfelt and genuine. This is a place to disconnect, to leave behind the noise and chaos of modern life, to reconnect with something bigger than yourself, to find peace in the simplicity of nature, to get lost in the grandeur of nature, to explore vast landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Are you ready? Let's get lost. Let's embark on an adventure that will leave you breathless and yearning for more. First stop, Khunjerab Pass, highest paved border crossing on the planet, 16,000 feet above sea level. Yeah, you read that right. The air is thin, but the view will take your breath away. Then there's Rakaposhi, a giant amongst giants, towering over 25,000 feet, one of the most dramatic peaks in the Karakoram range. You can practically feel its presence. It's humbling, awe-inspiring. We're talking glaciers tumbling down rugged slopes, crystal clear rivers carving through the valleys, wildflowers bursting with color against the stark landscape. It's a photographer's dream, a painter's muse, a poet's inspiration. But Gilgit is more than just scenery. It's a place where nature and humanity intertwine in the most beautiful ways. It's about the people. Warm, welcoming, resilient. Their smiles are as bright as the sun that kisses the peaks of their mountains. They've carved out a life in this unforgiving terrain. Every step they take is a testament to their strength and perseverance. Their spirit is as strong as the mountains they call home. Music fills the air, echoing through the valleys. The rhythmic beat of drums. It's a heartbeat of the community, a pulse that unites everyone. The haunting melody of flutes. Each note weaves a tale of history, culture, and emotion. Each note tells a story of joy, sorrow, and everything in between. A story passed down through generations, wisdom shared from the elders to the young, ensuring the legacy lives on. A story of love, loss, and life in the mountains. Every family has its own unique tale, yet they all share a common thread. And the food? Forget your Michelin stars. This is real food, food that tells a story with every bite. Hearty stews to warm you from the inside out. Each spoonful is a hug from the heart of Gilgit. Freshly baked bread, still warm from the tandoor. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Flavors that explode on your tongue. Spices that dance and play, creating a symphony of taste. Every bite is a celebration of life. A reminder of the rich culture and the resilient people who make Gilgit a true tapestry of culture and cuisine. Section 4: Faces and Stories from the Road. This journey has been more than just a physical adventure. It's been a tapestry of human connections and shared experiences. I remember this one old man. His presence was a testament to the passage of time. Wrinkled face, eyes that held centuries of wisdom. Each line on his face told a story of survival, of resilience. He told me stories of his ancestors, tales passed down through generations, rich with history and tradition. Nomads who roamed these mountains for centuries. Their journeys were not just physical but spiritual, a deep connection to the land. Their lives intertwined with the rhythm of nature. They moved with the seasons, lived off the land, and respected its power. Another time I shared tea with a group of women. Their hospitality was heartwarming, their stories captivating. Their laughter echoed through the valley. It was a sound of pure joy, a moment of shared humanity. They told me about their lives, their dreams, their daily struggles and triumphs, their hopes for the future. They dreamed of better opportunities for their children, of preserving their culture. Their strength and resilience were inspiring. They faced challenges with grace and determination. These are the moments that stay with you, the connections you make, the stories you share. They become a part of you. It's about embracing the unknown. Every path taken is a new story waiting to unfold, stepping outside your comfort zone. It's in these moments of uncertainty that you find your true self. That's where the real adventure lies. In the faces you meet, the stories you hear, and the memories you create. So, you ready for your own Gilgit adventure? Best time to go? Spring or fall? Weather's perfect, pack layers, it gets cold up there. And don't forget your hiking boots. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Leave your expectations at home. Be open to new experiences. Embrace the unexpected. Gilgit will reward you in ways you never imagined. Trust me on this one. It's a journey you won't soon forget.